Hey guys, so first I'm taking my measurement, taking my length. You can take any length, half length, full length. And also the next thing is I'm choosing the fabric. I'm loving this cotton printed fabric. You can use any rayon, cotton, or anything you want. So this is my fabric. This is the extra part that I'll use for my ribbon part. And also I am going to cut it in two pieces, because I need two pieces in from this fabric. So as you can see, so I'm going to measure the waist. So I'm taking 27 inches for my waist. Well, this is a wrap band, so you need enough fabric to cover your both side, front and back. So I'm going to cut it and make a two piece. And guys, make sure, just measure it and make sure you are using enough fabric to cover the half of your leg side, otherwise your legs will be open. So that's the reason I'm telling you, you need this fabric, this amount of this fabric to cover the leg area, otherwise your leg will be open, because this is a wrap band. So make sure you're using this. So I am taking almost 12 to 13 inches, and in the waist I'm going to take 4 inches, and then I'm going to cut it in a U shape. You need a clean U shape to get the band shape. So just keep watching guys, and this is really super easy, and the pattern is super easy. It's super easy to make, so just keep watching.